Hi everyone, this is Dr. Anjani in the subject Universal Human Values 2 Understanding Harmony. In Unit 3, we are going to see the topic Difference between Respect and Differentiation. What is respect? When a person is evaluated correctly, then we have respect in them. If the same person is evaluated in a wrong way, either if it is under evaluation or otherwise evaluation, it leads to disrespect. Here in this video, we are going to see respect. We know that human being is the coexistence of self and the body. Respect on the self, which means that the other is also similar to me on the basis of purpose, program, and potential. These three P's are very important. The purpose of the birth of any human being and the program of the self of the human being and the potential of the human being. Thus, we need to know that we are complementary to each other in terms of competence. If I have more understanding, then I am committed to help the other to get more competence. If I am lagging in competence, then I am committed to be developing my competence level. In this way, if the other has more understanding, then I am committed to understand from the other. If I have more understanding, then I am more responsible than the other to help him to develop his competence. Disrespect. It arises because of wrong evaluation. The wrong evaluation may be over evaluation, under evaluation, or otherwise evaluation. Also, out of differentiation, the feeling of opposition or discrimination, and we are comparing one with the other, either in terms of age, gender, race, and physical strength, or in terms of physical facilities by means of the post possessed by the person or the individual or the wealth he has, or in terms of beliefs like ism, sect, and information. So this leads to differentiation. Instead of trying to see both the similarities as well as the differences, are we primarily trying to focus on the differences alone? We are discriminating the other based on the point called we are focusing on the differences alone, which leads to disrespect. Now, differentiation on the basis of the body. If the other individual is of less age, then we may treat them disrespectfully. We can call them as such. Then, in few places, there are gender discrimination, male female discrimination, the race discrimination, white black, physical strength. If any individual has more physical strength, then they will be dominating the person with less physical strength. Threatening will be given based on the physical strength. So respect elders. This is always we have been taught from our childhood. If respect has to be given on the basis of age, then what about younger people? What about the children? Whether they deserve respect or not. But whoever it is, whether they are elderly or the younger one, everybody needs respect. Their self are in need of respect. So, based on gender, many societies, as we discussed earlier, they give higher priority to the males when compared to females. Sometimes females are given higher priority than males. Some may be given as white, black, brown color, the race. So, physical strength, based on that, also respect will be given at some areas. So, these are considered as differentiation or discrimination. Now, the second set of differentiation is on the basis of physical facility, wealth. He is a wealthy person. She is having higher post. Based on that, we will give respect. Then, based on differentiation, on the basis of beliefs, isms, sects, information already gathered. So, based on that, the differentiation will be given. Like isms in the sense socialism, capitalism, different sectors, sects, different sets of information already available. We will be judgmental based on those already gathered information. This may lead to respectful or disrespectful at some times, which leads to wrong evaluation. If you belong to one sector, for example, if I am an engineer, then I feel that all the engineers are superiors. Or if I belong to any particular sector or isms, then those sector may believe that we are greater than the other. This may lead to discrimination, differentiation, and it leads to fight. Thus, right evaluation is very important, which leads to happiness amongst ourselves. So, right evaluation leads to mutual happiness and respect. If it is wrong evaluation, just like over evaluation or under evaluation or otherwise evaluation, then it leads to disrespect. Over evaluation leads to ego, under evaluation or otherwise evaluation leads to depression. Therefore, happiness is to be in the state of harmony or in the state of relationship or in the state of coexistence. Over evaluation is more than what it is. Under evaluation is less than what it is. Otherwise, evaluation is other than what it is, which leads to wrong evaluation, disrespect. So, respectful things can happen if anything or any person is rightly evaluated. It leads to mutual harmony. Thank you.